Today, I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes my Pinterest workflow. So how do I get content up on Pinterest? The answer is Tailwind, and there are 3 different ways you can do this. The first is pinning directly from your blog. So if you regularly post on your blog, you probably have a lot of content up there that you can easily pull over to Pinterest. So with the Tailwind app installed, you can click it and just import those images. It looks like this. I'm going to go through selecting the images that I want to share to Pinterest. I will add them to specific boards, make sure they're named accordingly and they have some keywords. So you can see what that schedule looks like in Tailwind once I bring them over. The second way is to bulk upload pins. So directly in Tailwind, you can upload a set of images and you can easily, direct them to your website or a post that is specific to them. So it's a great way to have fresh content, even if you're not posting regularly. Just get those images in, edit the name, the link you want them to go to, the description, and you're all set. The third way is to create pins in Canva. Now, again, this is amazing because Pinterest loves new content. You can take old images and add text. You could take a video. You can have basically endless ways to create new posts in Canva and share them to Pinterest. And again, you're gonna download this, import it to Tailwind so that you can, maybe you pin it to a couple boards or you make sure the description and the name is correct. And once you've done this and you have your Tailwind queue up and running, you can check your analytics and see how things are going. You will definitely notice an increase in traffic, and the main benefit is that it's going to bring more eyes to your website, and you're going to see what pins are performing well. You can repin old pins regularly that have done really well. You don't want to do this all the time, but like spacing this out is gonna take that content that has performed really well on Pinterest and give it new life. Or you could import it to Canva to create something new. So check analytics to see what is doing well. Make sure that you have a plan to direct people to your website and consider using Tailwind and Pinterest to grow your website traffic. Hope you enjoyed this.